Today, I'm going to show you how to make perfect keto and low-carb burger buns. Unlike traditional buns, this recipe eliminates refined carbs to ensure it won't trigger an insulin spike. Best of all, each bun contains just 1.7 grams of net carbs, making it completely guilt-free. Make sure to watch until the end for the before and after blood sugar test results. Alright, let's dive right in and start making these delicious buns. First, add 80 grams of almond flour. Almond flour is a staple for diabetics. It's low in carbs and high in healthy fats, providing sustained energy without spiking your blood sugar. Next, add 5 grams of a keto-friendly sweetener, like erythritol or monk fruit. Now, add 20 grams of psyllium husk powder. Since we aren't using wheat flour, we need something to hold the bun together. Psyllium husk acts as a binder, mimicking gluten to give the bun its structure and chewiness. Add 2 grams of sea salt. Salt is vital on keto. As your insulin drops, your body flushes out sodium. Adding sea salt helps replenish electrolytes and prevents headaches or fatigue. The vinegar acts as an acid to react with the baking powder. This reaction creates gas bubbles that help the buns rise higher and gives them a lighter crumb. Next, separate 3 large eggs and add just the whites to the bowl. We use egg whites instead of whole eggs here to keep the buns light and fluffy. The protein in the whites hardens as it cooks, trapping air and giving the buns a sturdy structure. Now, mix everything together. At first, it might look a bit dry, but keep mixing. The psyllium husk will absorb the moisture and form a cohesive dough. Finally, pour in 100 grams of room temperature water. As you mix, the psyllium husk absorbs this water and swells up. You can adjust the water amount appropriately based on the dough's absorption. Mix completely. The dough will start to pull away from the sides of the bowl as the psyllium husk gels up. Now, let it sit for about 10 minutes. Once the dough has rested, it's time to shape. Divide the dough into 3 equal parts. Roll each piece between your hands to form a nice, smooth ball. To finish them off, you can sprinkle some black sesame seeds on top. Gently press them down so they stick. Pop them into a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 355 Fahrenheit. Bake for about 40 to 45 minutes until they are golden brown. Psyllium bread takes a bit longer to bake through than regular bread. You want to make sure the inside is fully cooked, so tap the bottom. If it sounds hollow, it's ready. Just look at these. They have a beautiful golden brown crust, and the texture is incredibly soft and fluffy. You won't believe they're low carb. The combination of almond flour and psyllium husk creates a structure that mimics gluten, giving you that satisfying bread-like texture without the carbs. For my breakfast today, I'm turning this bun into a delicious burger. I'll load it up with fresh lettuce, tangy pickles, crispy bacon, and a slice of cheese. This combination creates a perfectly balanced, diabetic-friendly breakfast. The healthy fats from the cheese and bacon, combined with the fiber in the bun and veggies, ensure a slow, steady release of energy. I'm curious, what do you guys usually put on your burgers? Pickles, onions, avocado? Let me know in the comments below. Before I dig in, I'm going to test my blood sugar to get a baseline. This way, we can see exactly how this burger affects my levels. It reads 4.9 millimoles per liter. For those using US units, that's about 88 milligrams per deciliter. A perfect baseline. Let's see how it tastes. Wow, it's so satisfying. Because this burger is packed with protein, healthy fats, and fiber, it's incredibly filling. Unlike a regular carb-heavy burger, you won't feel hungry again in an hour. Look at that texture. Honestly, if I didn't tell you, would you know this is low carb? It's amazing. If you're enjoying this recipe so far, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more healthy ideas. It's been exactly 1 hour since I finished eating. Time to check my blood sugar again to see the impact. And the result is, for 0.9, it's exactly the same as my fasting level. This proves that these keto buns had zero impact on my blood sugar. So why zero fluctuation? It's simple science. The high fiber content buffers digestion, and with only 1.7 g net carbs, there's simply no sugar hitting your bloodstream. This experiment proves that you don't have to give up bread to manage your diabetes. By choosing the right ingredients, you can enjoy the foods you love while keeping your numbers perfect. If you enjoyed this recipe, please hit that like button and subscribe for more diabetic-friendly recipes.